Wow, travel really can be magic. But other times, less so. Like this set, travel can sometimes be uncomfortable, uninspiring, a little bit unsanitary. At Peak Design, we make award-winning bags that put delight and dignity back into your travel experience, with game-changing functionality hidden beneath a clean, upscale aesthetic. And because no two trips are the same, we're back on Kickstarter to expand our ecosystem even further with 4 brilliant new bags. The Travel Backpack 2-in-1, a modular carry-on packed with innovation. The Travel Backpack 20-liter, an ultra-streamlined day pack. The Travel Weekender, an elegantly refined shoulder bag. And the Travel Sling, the ultimate crossbody companion. 4 new bag formats, built to elevate your travel experience, so that you feel comfortable and confident and totally pampered, every step of the way. Emma, the script definitely said cucumbers.
Sorry, Adam, it's my first day.
Stings a little bit. Hit him with that voiceover.
Sure thing, boss. These are the newest additions to the Peak Design travel line. First up, the Travel Backpack 2-in-1. The same size as our original travel pack, but it's 2 bags in one. A base pack for long-haul storage, and a day pack for light on-the-go carry that's seamlessly combined into a single system for getting there and being there. We made it because most 2-in-1 travel bags are bulky, awkward, and overbuilt, with fussy connections and bulbous profiles. This one stays clean, structured, refined, with delightfully simple connection so you can travel efficiently without compromising experience or aesthetics. The base pack is built to haul. Big, beautiful access, dedicated laptop and tablet storage, and cube carry that's designed around Peak Design packing cubes, camera cubes, or any combination thereof. And when it's time to carry real weight, it delivers. An ultra-sturdy harness complete with hip belts featuring a new padding layup for ultimate comfort. All of which quickly stow for checking. When you arrive, detach the day pack in seconds and head out. Streamlined for daily carry and exploration, with top access to the main compartment, front access for smaller essentials, smart internal organization, and its own laptop sleeve. On other 2-in-1s, the day pack is the weakest link. On ours, it looks, feels, and functions like a premium standalone pack. Outside, both bags feature dual stretch pockets for water bottles and quick access storage. Together, the system carries 40 liters and is global carry-on compatible. Separately, these 2 bags can hold even more. If it's just a day pack you're looking for, look no further than the Travel Backpack 20-liter, our most compact travel backpack yet, designed to fit in any kind of trip, whether it's on your back, on your roller, or stowed away. No stuffing, no cramming. And when you need more space, it expands, because you never know when you'll need a few extra things. Plus, our proprietary cord hook system lets you carry even more on the outside. Inside, the wide clamshell opening gives full visibility and full access. Also designed to fit Peak Design packing cubes, or camera cubes, or any combination thereof. Beneath a sharp and minimalist profile are smart features, like a disappearing water bottle pocket, and a spacious organizational pocket to keep your daily carry at the ready. Peak Design's iconic travel backpack DNA in true day pack form. Small enough to be your personal item, expandable enough for spontaneous adventures, sharp enough for any occasion. And for travelers who want sharp looks and smart organization in shoulder bag form, we give you the Travel Weekender, a modern, structured take on the classic duffel, designed to elevate your trip with brilliant storage and access, a small footprint, and a classically upscale aesthetic. Unlike most duffels, it keeps its shape, no collapsing, no floppiness. Perfectly sized for short trips, overnighters, and even daily carry. It's a bag you can truly live out of. The clamshell opening gives visibility and access to anything, and the origami-inspired internal layout gives everything a place. Smart stretch pockets, secure zip pockets, and larger compartments designed around Peak Design packing cubes and pouches. Everything stays visible, so you're never digging through a black hole. An external org pocket keeps essentials tidy and protected. And a dedicated laptop sleeve keeps work close or tucked away. And when you want to travel even lighter, there's the Travel Sling 3-liter, a compact crossbody for your everyday and travel essentials. The origami-inspired layout of our iconic tech pouch transformed into a low-profile sling you can take anywhere. A network of stretch pockets keeps everything organized and visible. Your passport and your wallet, earbuds and chargers, and even a compact camera. A secure magnetic phone pocket gives fast one-handed access on the move. And the premium strap with axial attachment points keeps it close to your body and comfortable through long days. Like all Peak Design gear, these 4 new bags are guaranteed for life, and they're built to protect any gear in any environment. Weatherproof VersaShell fabric, super abrasion-resistant Ultra Zips, a durable scratch-free high-vis liner, and for total peace of mind, hidden AirTag pockets. Across the line, we paid meticulous attention to details, custom aluminum hardware, integrated luggage pass-throughs, theft-deterrent zipper pulls, and ID tag attachment points. And we made sure these bags were built right, Fair Trade certified and Climate Label certified, incorporating recycled, Blue Sign approved materials wherever we could.
These products are design complete, real world tested, in production now, and they'll be shipping soon. Back this campaign and be amongst the first to own these bags. Get a Kickstarter only discount plus access to exclusive add-ons. This is our 16th Kickstarter, and your continued support enables us to remain independent and innovation focused. 4 new bags, 1 thoughtfully designed ecosystem, 0 compromises. Thank you for your support.
Guys, where is the toilet seat? What the hell's going on here?
Hey, that's a great question. We're essentially employing absurdism to elicit an emotional response from the viewer. We're all familiar with the foibles of modern travel. The new Peak Design travel bags enable you to transcend them, so to speak.
Still warm if you need it, boss.
I'm good.
I'm good. What?